back with another video, guys. We're back with another video, and today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to install a launcher. Now this launcher is a smart TV launcher, and it's very simple and easy. It's easy to use. It's not very difficult to use. You don't got a lot of buttons and stuff like that and features to interact with. Now for the people who say that I speak too much, now what I want you guys to do is to go in Play Store. Once you go in Play Store, click on the search bar, type in Smart TV Launcher, type it in, search, find it, install it, and there you go. That is for the people who just don't want me to explain. Okay, now for the people who want me to explain and show you how everything works, what button to press, what button not to press, what permission to give, and so on and so forth, this is a segment for you guys. Okay, so first thing first, guys, we are going to go into Play Store right here, and we're gonna click the search bar up here, and we're gonna type in Smart TV we don't have to do the whole entire thing. Smart TV launcher, and this is the launcher right here. Now I've already installed it and tried it, but so now I'm going to show you guys what it does. Now you can see the pictures down here. This is how it looks and stuff like that. I'm going to show you how to work it. Now we're going to click the install button, and we're going to wait for it to install, and there it is. It's very quick and easy. So we're gonna wait, and there it is. Always read the full description, guys, to know what you are installing and what the app holds. Okay, so now we're gonna click open, and we're gonna wait for this thing to open, and it says please wait. And right off the bat, you see that it's very simple and easy. You got the time up here, the launcher name up here. This time and date is correct, and you see it says install apps, and we're gonna scroll down, and it categorizes some of the apps. Now you got the system apps. Okay, now these are the apps that cannot be deleted off your system. Okay, this is the apps that cannot be deleted. These apps are made into the TV. Okay, so now we're gonna go back up, and right up here we're gonna start with the search bar right here. If you have an app that you are searching for, I cannot find it, you can search for it right here by clicking the name right here and type in the name that you want, or you can go to an app that you recently installed, and you can find the app right here, and you got the system apps right here, and you got the games and favorites. Now I don't got any favorite on this as yet, so that is all. If you cannot find an app, you can use this to search for an app that you need on your TV. Now we're gonna come back off, and if we go up right here where we see this arrow right here, it says select input, no input. Now input is a device that you put in, like a USB stick or Bluetooth or something like that. You will find it right here. Okay, now this is the settings icon. Now once you click the settings icon right here, right off the bat, you see it's very simple and easy. Now the device settings is the default. It's the default TV settings. Okay, it's just the simple default TV settings. We're gonna go back, and we're gonna go back in here back again, and you see where it says network settings. It has the network settings. You can change it. It's the same default settings. It's simple and easy to use, guys. It's not something that I will say that is very difficult. Now we got the Bluetooth settings, and we're gonna go down. I'm gonna click the Bluetooth, and here it's asking for permission to grant Bluetooth to locate. We're gonna click allow. We're gonna click allow, and we're gonna click allow again right down here. Okay, and it says no device. I don't have any device on right now, but yours, if you have Bluetooth that you need to find, you will do it right here. It search automatically just by clicking it. Right down here it says please wait searching. Now the wallpaper, if you want to change this background that sits right here, you just click on the wallpaper right here, and if you look right up here, you will see a plus sign. You will click that plus sign. You're gonna click allow, and you will find any files that you have that you can use. You can use it right here. Okay, now if I click on FX and go into download, I have pictures right here that I can use. Okay, I have pictures right here that I can use, and select them and do it like that and reload. And there I have some pictures right here. These are the pictures that I have selected that is in a category, and if you click back on it, and if you go in any of these, it's the same thing. You just select the file and the picture that you want, and it will be installed. Now we're gonna go back on it, and we're gonna go down to lock application. Now we don't have anything locked on application right now, so we're gonna click permission right here, user permission. Now we're gonna click allow, and once you click allow, you will get a list of apps that has been granted permission to use. This is a good source of, you can delete apps from right here also. You can delete apps from right here also. You can find apps from right here also. Now card number, we're gonna add widgets, and this is the time and date that you can change. You can go digital, or you can choose the other one right here, or you can change your date, change the time in the date, the month and the date. You can change that also. Alright, now we're gonna go back. Now if you want to restart your system, you can do it by clicking on restart home. Okay, now and about the launcher, this is the version right here, v2.3.5. okay, and the version code is 39. okay, and we're gonna come off, and it's very simple, and you can support right here. You got a Gmail account, and a mail admin account that's right here, where you can get more settings and features from right here. Okay, now that is very simple and easy to use. It's nothing difficult for you to use. Right here it's just simple and easy. If you have any question, guys, any question on it, you can just write it in the comment section and let me know what you want. So guys, I'm gonna end the video right here on that positive note. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for subscribing. Guys, please hit that thumbs up, that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.